fact, it's been estimated that of adults, around 50% of our country of adults have hypertension. What we should be doing with regards to our health is basically advocating aggressive prevention. Aggressive prevention which is taking a comprehensive science-based approach to natural health, providing the most optimal environment so the body can heal, repair, and self-regulate as it's designed. They came out and they said there are 200 heart deaths could be prevented each year. That's right, 80% of deaths from coronary artery disease can be attributed to preventable factors, things that you and I can do something about. If you look at also another study here, we have talk about 90% of type 2 diabetes is preventable. They say around 80% of strokes are preventable. And on this exam, this 40-year-old male came in and their blood pressure was elevated at 154/94, and their pulse was an 89. And here's their weight. And there we did some blood testing with them, and their vitamin D was at 26. Their A1C, which is a blood sugar number, is into a diabetic range. They didn't know they were diabetic. They came back 1 year later, and their blood pressure was down to 119/75. And their pulse rate, you can see, went down from an 89 down to a 55. There's 4 basic things that you should do before you allow them to take your blood pressure. Number 1, sit down for at least 5 minutes. Secondly is to don't sit in the chair with your legs crossed. The third thing you need to have them do before you have them take your blood pressure is you should have your arm resting on a table, something where your arm's resting, not when the arm is down at your side. You're not, nothing like that. So that you should be, we can always blame things on other people, but before you go in to have your blood pressure taken, you should try to have not eaten or drank anything or smoked anything or chewed anything 30 minutes to an hour before going in. The only thing this individual would do, only thing they would do is they would cut out soda. 1 month later, their blood pressure came down to 108/75, significant improvement. Their A1C came down completely out of diabetic ranges in 1 month of just cutting out soda, just cutting out the junk. Remember, there's so many things you can do to get your body healthier today. Try to find one thing today to get yourself healthier than you were yesterday, the day before, and then the next day, try another one. Next day, another one. Next day, another one. And you will be surprised what you and the good Lord can do with your body in the future.